Ever wondered how Coca-Cola, one of the world's most popular beverages, started? Let's take you back in time to the year 1886, a pivotal year in the beverage industry. In the bustling city of Atlanta, Georgia, something was brewing, something that would change the landscape of refreshments forever. The story begins with a man named Dr. John Stith Pemberton. Known around town as a local pharmacist, Pemberton was a man of innovation and a penchant for concoctions. But little did he know, his next creation would become a household name worldwide. The day was like any other in the city of Atlanta, but at Pemberton's pharmacy, a unique concoction was taking shape. A caramel-colored syrup, a result of Pemberton's experimentation, was born. Now you might think this syrup was meant to refresh or quench thirst, but you'd be mistaken. This syrup, the one we now know as Coca-Cola, was initially meant to be a medicinal tonic. That's right, the fizzy drink that we all love today was not intended to be a beverage at all. Pemberton crafted this syrup as a remedy, a curative potion for various ailments. The syrup was unique not just in its purpose, but in its taste as well. A blend of sweet, tangy, and bubbly, it was unlike anything else in the market. Pemberton's syrup soon gained popularity in Atlanta. People were drawn to its unique flavor and purported health benefits. The syrup was sold in local soda fountains where it was mixed with carbonated water, giving birth to a refreshing drink that we now know and love. And thus, the first chapter of Coca-Cola's journey was written, not as a refreshing beverage, but as a medicinal concoction. But how did this medicinal tonic become Coca-Cola, and who designed that iconic logo? You may be surprised to learn that it was Frank M. Robinson, the bookkeeper of Dr. John S. Pemberton, the creator of Coca-Cola, who played a significant role in this. A man of many talents, Robinson not only suggested the catchy name Coca-Cola, but also penned it in his distinct flowing script. That very script, with its unique curves and lines, became the famous logo we all recognize today. Robinson's choice of name for the beverage was a shrewd marketing move. Coca-Cola was derived from its two key ingredients, the coca leaf and the cola nut. The name was not only catchy and easy to remember, but it also hinted at the exotic and therapeutic properties of the drink. Thus, the identity of Coca-Cola was born, as distinctive and unique as its taste. So, how did a local tonic transform into a global sensation? Let's delve into the rise of Coca-Cola. Enter Asa Griggs Candler, an ambitious businessman from Atlanta. In 1888, Candler saw potential in the curious beverage concocted by John Pemberton. He acquired the Coca-Cola formula and brand, and embarked on a mission to transform it into a household name. Candler was a visionary, and he knew that to sell Coca-Cola, he needed to get people to try it first. So he introduced one of the earliest forms of modern marketing, the innovative coupon system. Candler distributed coupons that offered a free glass of Coca-Cola at any fountain. It was a simple yet ingenious tactic. If people liked the drink, they'd come back for more, and they'd bring their friends. But Candler didn't stop there. He understood the power of brand recognition and embarked on a wide-scale advertising campaign. Coca-Cola branding was everywhere. From clock signs to calendars, from soda fountain urns to wall murals, Coca-Cola was a name you couldn't escape. The iconic script logo, designed by Pemberton's bookkeeper, was now a common sight. Candler's aggressive marketing and distribution strategy worked. By the early 1900s, Coca-Cola was not just a beverage, it was a cultural phenomenon. The public was enamored with the sweet, carbonated drink. Coca-Cola was served in every state of the nation, and it was well on its way to becoming a global sensation. Candler's marketing prowess not only propelled Coca-Cola's sales, but it also laid the foundation for the modern marketing industry. His strategies were innovative and ahead of their time. He understood the value of brand recognition, customer engagement, and product sampling long before these became marketing buzzwords. Candler's marketing prowess catapulted Coca-Cola from a local tonic to a national phenomenon. Through his efforts, Coca-Cola began its journey from a small soda fountain in Atlanta to the world's most recognized beverage brand. From a national sensation to a global phenomenon, let's trace Coca-Cola's journey across borders. Under the visionary leadership of Robert Woodruff, the Coca-Cola Company embarked on an ambitious expansion strategy. Woodruff, who became the company's president in the early 1920s, had a global vision. He believed that Coca-Cola, with its unique taste and universal appeal, could quench the thirst of people all over the world. Woodruff's leadership saw the company make some significant moves. One of these was the company's entry into the Olympics. In 1928, Coca-Cola traveled across the Atlantic to Amsterdam, marking its first Olympic Games, and the beginning of an enduring partnership that continues to this day. This move was more than just a business venture, it was a statement that Coca-Cola was ready to take on the world. Around the same time, Coca-Cola introduced what would become an iconic innovation, the six-pack. Designed to encourage consumers to enjoy Coca-Cola outside their homes, the six-pack became a game-changer, not just for Coca-Cola, but for the entire beverage industry. But Coca-Cola's global journey was not just about expanding markets and introducing new products, it was also about creating a brand image that resonated with people worldwide. The contour bottle design introduced in the early 20th century played a crucial role in this. With its distinctive shape and the embossed Coca-Cola script, the contour bottle was a symbol of quality and authenticity. It was a promise that wherever you were in the world, if you were drinking from that bottle, you were enjoying the real thing. And speaking of the real thing, in the late 1960s, Coca-Cola launched a campaign that would further cement its global image. The "It's the Real Thing" campaign resonated with audiences across the globe, reinforcing Coca-Cola's position as the authentic, original cola. Coca-Cola had now become a household name not just in America but across the globe. From its humble beginnings to its global dominance, let's look at where Coca-Cola stands today. The brand that started as a simple carbonated beverage in a small Atlanta pharmacy has evolved into a global phenomenon. Today, Coca-Cola is a household name, recognized by a staggering 94% of the world's population. Coca-Cola's portfolio now boasts more than 500 brands, ranging from the original Coca-Cola to a diverse array of soft drinks, juices and teas. The company's offerings cater to every palate, from the classic cola flavor that started it all to innovative new tastes that continue to surprise and delight consumers worldwide. But Coca-Cola's influence extends beyond the realm of beverages. The brand's cultural significance is undeniable, with its iconic logo and signature red color resonating across generations and borders. Coca-Cola has become a symbol of unity, refreshment, and shared experiences, its advertisements often highlighting moments of togetherness and celebration. Moreover, Coca-Cola has shown a commitment to sustainability, recognizing the crucial role corporations must play in safeguarding our planet. The company has set ambitious goals to reduce its carbon footprint, improve water efficiency, and promote recycling. It's also driving innovation with plant-based materials for packaging and renewable energy sources for its operations. Coca-Cola continues to innovate not only in terms of its products but also in its marketing strategies. Who could forget the Share a Coke campaign that had everyone searching for their name on a Coke bottle? Or the Open Happiness campaign that spread a message of positivity worldwide. These campaigns not only boost sales but also strengthen the emotional connection between consumers and the brand. In essence, Coca-Cola today is not just about quenching thirst, it's about creating experiences, sparking joy, and making a positive impact. It's about being a part of people's lives, from everyday moments to special occasions. Today, Coca-Cola is more than just a beverage. It's a symbol of refreshment, unity, and timeless appeal. So, what does the journey of Coca-Cola teach us? We've seen a humble beverage, born in a local pharmacy, evolve into a global icon. This story is more than just about a thirst-quenching drink. It's a tale of innovation, adaptability, and the power of a brand. Coca-Cola's journey is a testament to the steadfast belief in an idea, the courage to take risks, and the relentless pursuit of growth. It shows us the importance of a strong, recognizable brand, and how it can create a personal connection with consumers worldwide. It emphasizes the crucial role of marketing, not just in selling a product, but in telling a story, shaping perceptions, and building loyalty. And it reminds us of the value of constant innovation, of staying relevant in a rapidly changing world, and of the willingness to reinvent while staying true to your core. And that, folks, is the incredible journey of Coca-Cola, a testament to the power of branding, the importance of innovation, and the spirit of entrepreneurship.